and he's shirtless. And how about your rocks? Kimbut, 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 Kimbut. Good morning, guys. It is 6:55 in the morning and it's Friday. Oh my god, I still have that want to eat ice cream in the morning. Misty is back to bed. You back to bed? You back to bed, Mets? I opened the window that the cat can, you know, smell and hear the birds. So I opened the window, I opened the sliding door, and they're both in there. No, she just keep doing her tail now. Oh, baby. Roxy? Hi, Bug! Hello, Bug! I don't know, guys. I want to go to Home Depot again to pick up some mulch. But mulch is kind of heavy and I think I can do it myself. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy mulch. Yeah, it's nice today. Today, Tommy said it's gonna be 80 and Tommy said, why are you gonna do that gardening? It's so hot today. That's the best thing to do gardening when it's hot. A lot of exercise and then my sweat is out like that. What are you making noises for? I don't make noises for you. I don't make noises for you. I don't make... You wanna go out? Is that what you want? Do you wanna go out? No, I do the baby ni mama no. It's so nice outside, guys. Oh, it's so nice out here. Okay, I look at the bug. Hi, Bug. Hi, Bug. Look at Hobbs. Hi, Hobbs. You can't come out over here. Daddy is planning to put some screen the whole porch that the cats can get out here. Yes, Bug. Daddy's thinking about you, Bug. Dimplord. Humpty Bug. You're a bug. You're a bug. You're such a boy. You're like a little lion. Yeah. A tiger, whatever. You look like a little tiger, Hobbs. Hobbs. You look like a little tiger. I want to go to Home Depot, but I decided not to. I decided not to. I told Tommy, hon, I'm just gonna wait for you Monday and then Tuesday planting. Not planting, I'm mulching with him. So that's the plan, guys. Tommy, and Monday I'm going to the other house to pick up some stuff to bring here, mostly Tommy's tools, and that's what I'm going to do, is bringing some Tommy's stuff to move in here. I hope the dog won't bump you or something. Guess I just... Hello guys, just get out from the, well, I get out a while ago and I get out a while ago from the shower. So right now I am having lunch. I don't even brush my hair yet, guys, and I'm going to have lunch and see what I have over here. Oh my god, it's so juicy. Holy cow, look at that. I have to separate the juice. Okay? I'm gonna have lunch, and then this is my lunch, my paksiw. I'm gonna use just my hand and the eggplant from last night, and yeah, at saka yung dipping sauce ko, guys. Oh my god, it's so time. I'm just gonna put this cushion outside that we can see it, or I can see it. Ganito. Ilagay ko po dito. Like this. So cushion it. Yan, nakatongtong naman tong tail ko, guys. So, oh, Misty is trying to catch the bee. Bee, you can't catch the bee. I was not ready to fall in like I'm wasted. My heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing and keep your words naked. Got Roxy right there, guys. What are you doing, Rox? Roxy. You got me blushing. Guys, I put their bed in the bedroom. So they want to go to sleep. They go over there. Look how good they are. They don't lie down over here. Oh, that's a house. I just noticed it. It's right there. It's the house. Yeah, it's house. I don't even notice it. I have another poison ivy. Guys, did you remember before, guys, that all my body, not all, actually a lot, all over my arm, all my arm, and transfer to tummy and stuff like that, and I don't know, it's go to my stomach, and yeah, I think I have the poison ivy in this side, this one right here, because it's not cut. Tommy just told me you have to wear long sleeve and gloves. I did long sleeve yesterday, and today I don't wear long sleeve. Look what happened. But this one is from the thing. It's not poison ivy, but hopefully I don't get any more. I think I have to wash my hand with the Dawn again, because guys, poison ivy, I just keep washing it and then rub it with a, you know, foam. Ay, kahit hindi ako gutom, snack pa rin. Ano ito, guys? The clover chips. I'm gonna have clover chips. Time check, it is 4:17. I'm just gonna go lie down. I'm just gonna lie down. Hi guys. Hi guys. Also, Tommy called. He called me and told me that he called and says that the gardener that we had from last year was sending him an email that said they don't come here because of the tremendous rain. Yeah, well, there is few rains, but before that, you know, neighborhood is already started, grass is already growing, but they don't come here. But they say they're probably here today, and that means it's late already. That means tomorrow. So today or tomorrow. So it's okay. They come here tomorrow. We pay them whenever, you know, when they're coming here, and then we're gonna stop. We're gonna tell them to not come because Tommy just bought a new machine for gardening. Anyway guys, so I'm just gonna lie down here and relax, and yeah, so, and look who's with me, guys. Hubs can do that, you know, not these two dogs. The cats can do. The cats are allowed to be here with me. Oh, I put Benadryl in this one, guys, because it's itching like crazy. Look who's facing me now. You're facing me now. Look, he's gonna put his body nicely over there. You are not begging me. Go lie down tonight. Yeah, the lens is dirty though. Seems something is scratched in here. It's a big one, huge. The neighbor is he's mowing his lawn, and he has that like walking kind of lawn mow. You know, he's shirtless. And yeah, and they're the one that have a dog. Hi, Dimple, Roxy. Hello. Hi, Rox. Hi. Dada's here. Do you want to come to see Dada? Look at it. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? I know, I'm ilad-ilad you. Huh? I know. I did ilad-ilad you. Nailad ang duha. Nailad. I ilad-ilad you, right? Mommy is not right. Mommy, that's not good. You ilad-ilad us. Roxy, kimbot be, Rox. Roxy, kimbot be. Even just your ikog. Kimbot. Roxy, kimbot. Hi, Misty. Hello, my love. Hello, mates. How about your Rox? Kimbot. Paypaye imong lubot, Rox, be? Rox, paypaye imong lubot. Oh, this is the salad, guys, the leftover. So I'm gonna have this. So yeah, this is just my dinner. It's just simple salad, and yeah, I think this is most already. A little bit crunchy, but yeah. So that's my salad dinner. Din. What do you want? Ice cream. What Roxy want? Treats. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna give Roxy and Misty treats. They've been wanting treats. Okay, I'm gonna have ice cream. Ice cream, guys. Mag-ice cream tayo tuwing umaga. May pagkagaga. Hoy. Look at these hubs. Oh, trying to get in again. Ay, nako. You never learn. He went to the refrigerator in the old house. Stuck in there for a few minutes. Because he never learned. This cat. I just love this ice cream. I feel like I'm in the Philippines with Mamang Sorbetero. Yung ice cream na. I try to call my sister though. I don't know why I can't call them. It's so hard, guys. I need more of this ice cream though. I can eat it all day, every day in my life. You know? Yeah. That's not enough. This one is not enough, guys. Who told you it's enough? Never enough. I can eat the whole, you know, container. Exercise tayo. Oh my god, this is the best. This is not chocolate, so I can give Roxy in this one. Okay, come here. Come here. Okay, I want to show you guys what's the reaction. Oh, Roxy love it. Roxy love it. You don't want to eat it? It's gonna go into milk. Oh, Roxy, eat the whole thing. Roxy, eat the whole thing. Oh my god, I'm just going to.
take my hand and we'll go away to a
Hi guys, good morning. This is where I am, guys. I'm sa filming room, guys. Nandito ako sa filming room ngayon, guys. I'm gonna do insert shout out, guys. I'm here. I have a really bad headache, guys. And good afternoon, whoever watch this video. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Hi. And shout out to Micaela Ramos from the Philippines. Hi, sis. Dimples is crying in the door. I don't let them in. And also shout out to Jessica from England. Hi, Jess. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry about my look, guys, huh? It's just whatever you send, it's me, guys. Yeah, I don't take shower yet because I'm gonna do gardening anyway. This is from caregiver Maria, shout out, at saka sa daughter niyang daughter and son, Rolo, Phil, Noynay, and Remark, or Remark Noynay. Hi, thank you for watching, guys. Mukha akong anay. Okay, so anyway, guys, I'm just editing the video. Now I'm making thumbnails. I'm editing the dog's video. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. It's 8:48 in the evening already. I'm just gonna end this vlog, and thank you all, guys, so much for watching my video. I appreciate it. To the people that leave a comment and do a thumbs up, thank you, guys, so much. Please click the thumbs up, guys, button, guys, if you do like the video. And also, and while I'm editing the video, I'm also watching the undercover boss, and which is really nice. It's always teary eye. But anyway, guys, bye, good night, guys.